four things out of paper. One of them will be sort of a gun where you can like sort of cock it and then go bang. And then second will be a cloth. You stick your finger in the middle right here. And then third will be this paper airplane. Fourth will be this paper airplane. These two are probably going to be the easiest to make. This and this are going to be hard. So we're going to start with this. For this, you'll just need one piece of paper, like this. You can make it bigger, but it has to be a rectangle. So, but it can't be a skinny rectangle like that. So first, you're gonna do it like this, and then make sure the top goes sharp like that once you fold it. And then go like that to make it good. And then once you got that, you're gonna go to the side to here, like that. Then after that, you're gonna go to that, and then that. After you've gotten that, flip this up, so then it's just a triangle. Once you got the triangle, you're gonna fold it in half. I like using my chin because it helps to fold it in half. But once you folded it in half,
he's zooming in.
And you gotta open it back up. Fold it like that. Not like this or anything, because I'll just make it a square sort of. So make it like that. Fold it one time, and then second time, and then you sort of got the claw already, because there it is. But then to make it stick together, because you can't just put your finger in or up, because it'll just start coming out. So you want to go and take this tip. There's a little pocket right here. You're gonna want to bend it and put it in that pocket. And then, yeah, that's how you make the first one. And then you can make 9 more, and then put it on all of your fingers, and then maybe have a mask on, and then you'll be, I'd suggest a wolf. But yeah. Okay, so the second one we are going to be making is, the gun. So you will need 2 pieces of paper, like this, or you could have it like this. It doesn't matter, but make sure it has to be a rectangle, maybe this size. But first you will just make it fold like that. Keep folding it until you can't anymore. Okay, once you got that, you're done with the first part. Now you gotta do the same thing to this one. So, like this, and then like that, that, and okay. So you got the first 2 parts. So this one you're gonna make smaller. This is too big. So we're gonna go like that. This one will probably work better. And then that's the first part. And you have to fold it in half, like that. And then the second, you have to go, one sec, like that. And then to the other side as well. Gotta go like that. Then fold it in half like so. And then it just, now you only have this and this. Well, now since it has two sides, one right here and one right there, you'll stick one on this in this hole, and then the other on the other side on this hole, in this hole. And then once you've done that, you're finished. And then you can decorate it however you want. It doesn't matter. You can have it rainbow gun, black green gun. It doesn't matter. But yeah, that's how you make the gun. But then the third one we're going to be making
2 minutes.
Is this paper airplane. It's going to be pretty easy. So to make this paper airplane, you don't need to do this, but it's easier this way. You'll fold it in half like this. Open it back up. Bring this side in to the middle where you see the line where you folded it. And make sure it's right on if you want a spike tip to it. And then this side as well. Then once you got that part done, you're gonna fold it down. So then it looks like that. This is the part where you're gonna make your tip. You can try and make it sharp, or just like that. I like doing it like this because I guess it flies better. So you're gonna go like that, make that folded better. Then once you're done with that part, you're gonna fold it in half. Once you're finished folding it in half, bring this to the bottom, and that'll be your first wing. Now you gotta do it to the other side, and that will be your second. And so now you know how to make this one. What?
Throw it.
Okay. And this is how it'll fly. Yeah. Okay, so then we're finished with that. Now I'm going to be teaching you how to make this kind of longer. I'd say maybe it goes straighter, but I'm going to be teaching you how to make this paper airplane. So you'll need the same piece of paper like this. You'll fold it in half again. So really, you'll do the same things until well, actually, don't do the same things for too long. So you'll go like that, open it back up, one side in like that, so you can see that. I grab this side and put it in, and then this side, do the same thing, put it in, and that's how it's looking for now. For this one, you will now fold it down, but you don't want to do that for this one. For this one, this is what makes it long, because it's longer. You will need to go like that. And this is also doing your tip. So this is making my tip pretty sharp. And I like the tips like that for this one. And then, so once you're done with that, that's what it looks like. I just folded these two, this side in, same as this side in. Now you're just going to fold it in half. Once you've folded it in half, make it good so then it doesn't come undone while it's flying. Then this is making the first wing. First wing is getting made. Okay, that's going to be my first wing. Now I got to do it to the other side. Done it to the other side. Now there it is. Yeah, and then this is how I'll fly. Went a little fast. Okay, but thanks for for watching, guys. Please subscribe and tap the bell to never miss another video.